Hi, it's Mike.
Windows Magnifier and how to get Windows to read back text to you. So to open Windows Magnifier, press the Windows key and the plus key, and that will open the magnifier. Now you can either zoom in using the buttons, zoom in or out using the buttons here, or you can press the Windows key and the plus key, which will zoom in, and the Windows key and the minus key, and that will zoom out. Now, also in the magnifier is the ability to read back text. So place your cursor at the beginning of the text you want to be read back to you, press play, and there we go, it reads it back to you just like that.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.